Alright, big milestone. Everything is now reassembled on the pontoon boat. She's all ready for sea trials. Gotten all the seats squared away. Put the bimini back on top. I know that the bimini's got holes in it, so it's not great, but I did get it put on. But everything is now assembled. Put my seats back in. Made my temporary repair, at least to this seat, till I buy some new ones. I was going to maybe do this one, but it's not great. This one's missing a hinge anyway, so I think I'll just let it go until we buy all new seats. Probably next year that'll be in the offing. But for this year, for this season, for this fishing season, this boat is now ready for sea trials. So next video hopefully will be this boat getting put in the water. I'm going to make my deadline. Today is Wednesday, I guess. Today's Wednesday, and my goal was to have this boat in the water this Saturday. It looks like I'm going to make that unless something goes on with the engine I don't know about. So it'll be the first tank of fuel. I have plenty of oil that I'm going to put in, ready to go. So next stop will be power wash and clean. Real good. This boat got filthy during this project. I did try to do some cleaning, but nothing a power washer won't take care of. So we'll get it looking nice and new. We'll trial the motor, make sure that I'm pumping water, which I expect that I am. It was when I first tried that motor. It'll be the first time with new controls. Make sure it shifts. Everything else I know is working. Everything I've redone the electrical, redone the deck, redone the seats, put the supports in, polished the inside of these sides so they're nice and white again. I think after a good power washing, I think saying this boat will look brand new is a bit of a stretch, but it'll certainly look really good. Certainly a major upgrade from the pontoon that I got rid of, which was my work barge, which really took a beating over the years and was showing the wear, and the tunes weren't in the best of shape. So, big upgrade, ready to go. We're gonna try and keep this one nice and keep making it a little better every year. I will buy a new bimini top for that this year, and I will buy a cover for this boat. It can sit out for a couple weeks while I get it. That's not the end of the world. But new bimini this year, and probably all new seat cushions all the way around in next year. Might just replace these fishing seats. They're pretty cracked and worn, and you can get that style seat for pretty cheap for a whole set of them. So I might spring for, if I do that, I may actually spring for 4 seats and new bases to go with them. This one's good. The other one's not so hot. But yeah, happy guy, ready to go and take the next step.
Speak to your people. Tell them you're...
I might want to set the idle up a little bit on that. Look what I did because I didn't put my antenna down. Now I got to epoxy that back together.
It's fine. We got Bluetooth. That's all we need.
Bluetooth, that's all we need. That's my VHF, dude. I got to fix that antenna.